sugar. We're from all over that godforsaken country called the United States of America. I know. I actually live in the Republic of California, so it don't count. But I don't know. I don't want to belabor the point. We're just here to have fun. We're here to rock. We're here to be loud. It's what we do. This one's called Hoover Dam.